Yo dudes, what's up here? Braden's way like a gamer boss. I will be doing a Minecraft video tonight. So just wait guys. First Minecraft video ever. It's gonna be super sucky. But when I beat you and someone might be joining us quite probably. And in a few days, Xbox Live Broskies. None of you said, get Xbox Live! But Sternberg has said, please make more wrestling trampoline videos, which was like almost a year ago. So then my friend Mason said, on the video I don't feel good, he said, man, that video made me sick. A lot of comments. Then from my cousin Jeremy, he said, hi Brayden, I'm back. So, and I don't know but nice match, guys. And then, and tonight, I think a video just I just told you like 10 times, but and we are going to prank somebody. That's right, we're getting that Xbox Live. We're gonna prank somebody. So it's gonna be super fun. Yeah, super fun. I will see you all dudes later at the Minecraft video. That's the guy that will be joining me. What's up? Peace. Okay.